Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to turn off silent mode on Instagram, and the first step is go to the official app of Instagram, and after that you need to go to the superior part in the option of your profile, in the part of your profile, in the superior right corner in the button of these three lines. So you pick here, and in these three lines you need to go to the option in how you use Instagram, in the option of notifications. So you pick in notifications, and after that you maybe have this option of pause all in blue activated. So the only thing you need to do to deactivate it is switch that again. If you got this in blue, if you got this option activated, the only thing you need to do is put this again, and that's it. The option of pause all notifications is over. So this is the process. It's a easy process to do. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.